Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be walking you through how to get working Glovo promo code. So let's get started. So the first thing to do for you to be able to get the working Glovo promo code is to open the Glovo app in your phone. On your phone, and tap on your profile icon in the top left corner. Then from there, select promotion or promo codes. Then search online for latest Glovo promo codes from Trusted Deals website or Glovo's official social media handle. Then from there, you have to copy a valid promo code, and from there, go to the Glovo app and paste the code into the promo code field. Once that is done, you have to tap to apply it, and if valid, you will see the discount applied to your next order. And that's how you can easily get the working Glovo promo code on your device. Hope you find the video a little more helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks.